We are going to the beach. Check this out, these beautiful flowers and these small wee alleys between where, well, warungs actually. Looks pretty nice, a local warung. Some bar here and the beautiful sunset. Just the sunset gonna be very quickly, very soon, very soon. Oh, cool vibes, cool vibes. Check this out, it's quite busy actually over here, I could say. Sorry. See, not so bad, not so bad. Yo, what's up? Here we go, here we go. Cool, cool, cool. Who was here last time? Was not as busy. How is it now? So cool. And check this out, the sunset. Alright, we are on the Jimbaran Bay beach and it's quite busy today, which is so cool. Yeah, as you see everywhere, people around. We'll show you now a little bit.
Nowadays it's just like so many families like going to the beach, and this Jimbaran beach, especially in Pantai Buaya, is actually a family-friendly beach. So yeah.
I will show you now. It's also beautiful sunset. So as you see, this is a view what we have. We ordered the radler, but it's late already for 15 minutes. I don't know, maybe they forgot. But that's how it is. And so many people are everywhere around. Like I said, I was planning to walk with the radler and, you know, showing you cheese, but like I said, they forget, unfortunately. Anyway, that's how it looks, the live. Check this out. It's quite busy, quite busy. Also so many kids around and everything. Also dogs. Will be beautiful sunset. This is always good vibes here. So because it's weekend, it's quite busy. And yeah, it's also the beach. Looks, it's the middle tide today actually, not so busy. I mean, not so high, not so low. Last time we was sitting in the warung, I think this one or this one, and then we moved to this one, which is pretty the same thing. Anyway, I'll show you how it looks the live. Beautiful sunset as always, as you see. And well, so many local people also, local foreigners, mix, dogs, kids. everyone are happy. This is the most important thing, because the people in Bali are happy, because the world is sad itself already enough. Oh, here is the some sand castle on the beach. Check this out. That's actually quite pretty impressive what they make over here. Check this out. Yo, what's up? This mom must be proud of the son. Pretty cool, pretty cool. And the beautiful sunset gonna be, as you see everywhere, the people, and here also, and here, everywhere. Yeah, I'm gonna back to Winnie. Let's see if my radar arrive. I don't know why. So slow. Anyway, I will show you also the dog, happy dog playing around. Beautiful sunset. Always very nice sunset in Jimbaran Bay. Really cool. I got my radler. Winnie's still waiting for the coconut. Great pace, but a little bit surface, like sleepy today. That's okay, no problem. Anyway, I would like to say special thanks to the Mick Everett. I hope so. I calling your name properly. If so, I'm so sorry, mate. Our Mick doing the great job, create the logo. I mean, not logo, but the emblem, and also creating our thumbnails, which is the pictures of each video. Every single night he's working for making the pictures for us, doing the great job. He have a company in Australia. He's the graphic designer. So if you have any job for him, like any graphic design or logo or something, he is happy to do it for you. And how looks his job, you can see every night on our vlogs. Thank you so much, and I will put the website here. He have also a website, so if you're interested. Anyway, thank you so much, Mick. You're doing a great job. Cheers, mate. All right, the coconut arrived. Wayan, Brooklyn. How you doing, buddy? Okay? All good, yeah? Okay. Enjoy your coconuts, yeah? And the sunset like this. Yeah, that's how it looks. Anyway, one more time I'm gonna show you the ambience of this place. Not so bad. Sunset like this. And that's how it looks, the vibes here after sunset. Beautiful color of the sky. Still quite a lot of people around. Sayang. So nice, isn't it?
Yeah, beautiful.
Always good to come here for chill. Anyway, what you can do. Anyway, this is the now where I'm facing the camera, the area of the fish shops, restaurants, like a fish dinner, seafood. They are open, but only one is busy actually, this one. And yeah, beautiful color of the sky. Drone flying, that's not mine actually, but flying. And check this out, here is the corn sheller with the Chinese flag today. Yeah, normal vibes. Check this out. Like I said, only one restaurant is quite busy, which is this one. This restaurant somehow is always busy here. The others are just a little bit less successful, something like that. However, vibe remains the same. Can you hear the sound of the ocean? The boat over there. So cool. Really like them. Listen the ocean and watching the sky like this.
It's so busy.
Yeah, like I said, only this restaurant is very successful for some reason.
That's Menega Cafe. It's famous restaurant. And yeah, always full.
Always full somehow.
Alright, so I think that we feel like we didn't want to eat seafood for dinner. Maybe we could go somewhere to eat something.
Yeah, let's see. I mean, I enjoy the view. It's so cool. I really like the color of the sky. It's like a half hour after sunset, so many people going home, and yeah, that's how it looks, the street. Vespa. For the old Vespa lovers. Oh, and here is the modern Vespa, and that was the old. Anyway, here is the parking area where we left our Jimny, and along this parking, they are the seafood restaurant. What you saw on the beach, they actually have two access from the parking area or from the beach. But like when he said today, we are not in the mood for seafood, so we will see something different. Check this out, this guy of the Aquaman, like the movie Aquaman, but this one is the Bali Aquaman.
You see that in this in car parking, so many people.
So many people. Yeah, it's actually, I could say it's kind of easy. By the way, this is the situation on the street, and this is how it looks. The phone shop in Bali and computer shop if somebody are interested. And this is the Jimbaran and McDonald's. Very busy junction here. And we are heading somewhere, I don't know where. Maybe to Nusa Dua, honey, yes?
Yeah,
We will
let's go.
see.
Okay, so from Jimbaran, and then we are thinking to heading to Nusa Dua area. Especially we will go to the Tol Mandara, and then we decided to go to have a dinner in one restaurant close by this area. As you see, going straight is Nusa Dua, and turn left is the Tol Road. So yeah, this is how it is, the main road at night time.
Yeah, that's how it is. And there is the Jimbaran direction over there. Check this out, this promo. This is the
There's a very
Pepito.
nice promo, and they have a very nice Western food. So let's see.
Yeah, and free coffee sounds cool.